Open it up.
Open it.
You want Mommy to help you open it?
No, Mommy.
Yeah, you gotta open it. Here.
I got it.
Right there. Open it up.
Rip it. Boom.
It's more. Man, I got a toolbox.
Oh.
You're gonna help Dad with your food? You gonna make some stuff?
Yeah.
You got a toolbox.
Toolbox.
Let's see what kind of tools are in there.
Got some tools.
Oh, look at all the tools.
Oh, hammer.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Fix it.
You're
gonna fix it? Okay.
Oh.
Tighten it up. Attaboy. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.